This tutorial is on how to create dashboards in Luxor CRM. Dashboard is a graphical representation of what is happening in your business. There are two types of dashboards in Luxor CRM. Example of dashboard type 1, which is stacked. Stacked dashboard means that you can add individual chart per row into your dashboard. Our standard dashboard allows you to add up to 3 charts per individual row in your dashboard. Now, dashboards are user-specific. As such, each user will be required to create their own dashboard. To do that, the user can navigate to the Settings button located on the top right-hand side of the screen, navigate to the Dashboard section to create their own dashboard. Note that a user can have multiple dashboards available in their system. To add a new dashboard, we simply click Add New. We name our dashboard, and we select what kind of dashboard we want to work with. For the purpose of this presentation, we're going to use stacked dashboards. Stacked dashboards are intended for the restoration industry to track referrals, where business comes from, and other important information. Once we select the type of dashboard, we click Save, and we can navigate to our My Dashboard option. Here, we now have the ability to start adding the charts that we would like to display on our dashboard. You'll notice by clicking on Add New, the user has an option to select from various charts. We keep adding new charts on an ongoing basis. As such, you should visit this section and review what things are appearing in here from week to week. Here, a user can select the dashlet they would like to use. As such, we'll try to use classification dashlet. We will name the dashlet. We will add additional dashlet, Ace by salespeople. We'll call it Ace by rep. We will add a dashlet for rolled up referral types to understand where our business comes from. We will add a dashlet to understand who's responsible for bringing revenue into our business. We will add a dashlet to understand who's performing and what level of activities. We'll call it activity by rep. Once we've added all the dashlets that we would like to see on our dashboard, we can click the Close button and actually select our dashboard as our default. By placing the radio button next to My Dashboards and selecting Set Default, this will always be the first dashboard that will load when opening the dashboard section. You will navigate back to the home page and click on Dashboards. The system will automatically load our My Dashboard that we've pre-built. You'll notice that each individual chart is set with some default settings. Each chart has a gears icon provided on the top right-hand corner, allowing the user to actually specify the settings for the individual dashlet. By clicking on the gears, user can select period of time the dashlet should be looking at, information to be displayed on the dashlet, and by clicking Save, the information will get redrawn directly on our dashboard. You'll notice that the dashlet is interactive. We can disable functions and only monitor our A's versus B's and vice versa. We can remove revenue out of this dashlet, and we can apply these settings to every single dashlet that we add in our system. Example here, dollar and number of jobs by source. Again, by clicking on the gears, we have the option to change the time and period of time the dashlet is actually reporting on. This is how we create dashboards in Luxor CRM.